Tonight, the Knox County Board of Health voting to push back the midnight curfew. WATE 6 on your side reporter Kristen Gallant joining us now here in the studio. So, Kristen, how late will bars and restaurants in Knox County be able to stay open, and when will that change take effect?
Well, Bo, the regulations that are in effect now will expire tomorrow, March 18th. Now, the new restrictions will begin on Friday at midnight. This includes the bar and restaurant curfew being pushed back from midnight to 1 a.m.
Are we ready for a vote?
That vote was unanimous at Wednesday's Board of Health meeting, where Mayor Glenn Jacobs suggested and voted on moving the restaurant and bar curfew back another hour to 1 a.m. Under the new regulation, event venues and caterers will have to follow the same guidelines as restaurants and bars. Another change tonight, the social gathering limitations.
Without a motion to advance that, it will be allowed to expire tomorrow then.
Health leaders also discussed Knox County's mask mandate.
The mask mandate, I think, is something that we need to continue at this point. We're not there yet.
There isn't a set date for the mask mandate to expire for Knox County, despite the positive number and the amount of people getting vaccinated.
144,000 vaccinations have been reported among Knox County residents.
The Knox County Health Board also discussed legislation that would affect the Board of Health.
This legislation would apply if there is an emergency situation in a county. They would move to an advisory board.
Knoxville Representative Jason Zachary filed a bill in Tennessee's House, and it has now moved to the Senate.
The legislation as it stands would remove authority from the Knox County Board of Health and any other counties.
Now, the bill that would limit the power of independent health boards was supposed to be up for discussion in the Senate Health and Welfare Committee, but it was being held for another week. The big news here, of course, being the extension of the curfew to 1 a.m. That will be in effect starting Friday and will last until Thursday, April 22nd at 11:59. Bo?
All right, Kristen, thank you. Meanwhile, Knox County's weekly health benchmarks remain unchanged from the last few weeks. New cases and hospital capacity remain in the green. Testing, public health capacity, and death rate are still all listed as yellow.